Hey family, it's your girl Jay from Jay Tastic. So what? I don't know, but we do some upcycling, fashion, sewing, and more. So if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I want to say to my tried and trues, welcome back. I appreciate you that have been rocking with me from the beginning. From the beginning, y'all. Hey, how y'all doing? See you in the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jay from Jay Tastic. So what? I don't know, but we've been doing some sewing and some upcycling finishing over here. So today I just wanted to come to you guys for a quick moment because I am still in the process of, you know, well, getting my sewing room together pretty much. And this is one of the projects that I was going to try with the stencil that I bought, and this is how it came out. I did not like it. So I'm going to show y'all something new that I came up with. So I'm a little out of breath because I'm still getting over a cold. But I also went to the Goodwill and I found these rods. Um, let's see if I can. Some curtain rods. Yeah, and they're black. And let me see. If you wanted to look up the price, you can see they are women owned, which is nice. You can scan that barcode for more information. And I paid $6.99 for them at the Goodwill, and I found two of them. So I have two windows in here. One is here, so I plan on putting curtains there, and the other window is here. So I plan on putting curtains up there. So, just knocked it down, let it fall down. As you can see, my room is still in a hot mess progress. So let me put y'all on hold for a second, and I'm coming right back. Okay, so my table is full of a lot of stuff, so just ignore that. I kind of like just wanted you guys to see what my next step is for that mess up that I made over there. I found some canvases at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Craft squares, they're called. They're not like picture frames. They just are craft squares. And they're real flat, and you can just put them on the wall. So I can use like some double-sided tape or whatever have you that I may want to use. I'm going to put the stencil on there and spray. If you guys remember, I haven't showed that video yet, but in the full tour and everything that I set up, I did order some stencils that I wanted to put on the wall. And 1, 2, 3, 4, I think I have 6 of them. And as you saw earlier, that did not come out so well. So I'm going to try this project again. And I'm going to try it with you guys. It's going to be a real quick video, just kind of like updating you guys on what's going on. I just didn't want to leave anybody hanging this week as they're wondering, where's your girl, where your girl is at. She's still recovering, trying to get well. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I think I might have had COVID again. I'm not even sure because I had lost my taste. I lost my smell. I had a headache. I was very, very tired. And yeah, so those are some of the symptoms as I recall. And I didn't want to think that what it was, but maybe it was. I don't know. But I'm starting to feel better now. So right now I have taken the plastic off, and I don't want to let me see if I can find something to put around the table because I don't want to mess up anything. I got some paper here. So while I'm spraying, I don't want to get any on my table, my sewing table. So I'm going to put this paper out here right now. And I just spray it. Try to lay it down as flat as possible. I should have been better prepared, but this was just a quick impromptu video that I just decided to come and do for today. Because I got out today, so I was feeling a little, getting some of my strength back. And I wanted to do this while I was feeling okay. let's do that. Make sure this is straight. And I do want the edges to stay free in case I want to do a little bit of decor there. And I'm going to try it again with the gold spray to see what it looks like. Okay, so let's try it, you guys. Let's see what happens. I'm hoping that it doesn't bleed through. Okay, so I'm going to stand back a little. And I don't mind if some gets on the boards per se. I just want to, like, you know, droplets or whatever. That's fine with me. So, if you have any other suggestions on how I could do this better, let me know in the comments. Okay, so that's about it right there. And we're going to give it a few minutes to dry before I pick it up and take a look at it. Okay, so hold on, y'all. Okay, so that came out pretty nice. I like it. I like the fact that it has like a little gold border around it. And yeah. So let me know in the comments if you like this little idea and what I plan to do. Let me go over here by the wall and show you what I plan to do. This wall over here, which is empty. And I plan on hanging them up with some double-sided tape. So that's how that will look. I like it, you guys. I'm so glad it came out better. Yeah. It came out way better than what I expected. I like it. And I did buy the stencil from Amazon. Yeah, and it just goes with the rest of my sewing room decor that I'm doing. I'm going to replace this one as well. I think I'm going to move some stuff around before I put something, you know, here. So I think I'm going to do something different here. So I'm not worried about that space. But that was the mess before. And this is the after. All right. So yeah, that's going to work out just fine. I'm still putting stuff away. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you to my subscribers that have come along and those that are hanging in. I lost a couple. I don't know why, but you know, it happens. So with that said, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'm gonna rest the rest of this Sunday, or I'll probably finish painting the other stencils and then get some rest. And so yeah, and you'll see the full finished look in the tour that's coming soon. You guys have an awesome Sunday. Stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video. All right, y'all. Bye.